will you put your water in the fridge? Yeah, why don't you just put that away? Yep. Yep. There you go, Joe. Now close the door. Close the door. Good job, Joe. Now let's check the closet. See if you need to get any snacks out of the closet. Oh, you want the light off? Say off. Say please. Please? Please? Okay. Now the light's off. There you go. Oh, you want to close the door? I'll turn the light on, Joe. Hey, there's Joe. The light's on. Should we close the door? Bye, Joe. Hello? Joe? Oh. Fast? That was good, Joe.
Would you like to eat some dinner? Would you like to walk to your high chair? And we'll have something to eat?